Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let's see what I sold. All right, so let's just get right into it. The first thing that I sold is this denim USA American flag full bling rhinestone cap. I paid $4 for it. $13 is what it actually sold for, but my earnings after fees, after shipping, after all of that is $10.05. So I'm going to subtract my $4 off that $10.05 and I end up with $6.05. I'm going to write all of my earnings on the board, my actual profit earnings, and then we'll add it up at the end and see how many things that we have for sale there, or how much we earned, sorry. This is a blue and purple floral tankini 2-piece swimsuit, size XXL. I paid $2 for that from a new wholesaler. $14.40 is what I earned, and so $12.40 after my $2. Then, of course, I've always got intimates for sale. This one is in particular is a bundle. This is an Exhilaration black underwire bra with bow that's padded. And then I also sold a cat and jack head wrap and necklace and earring set. So this was $1. This was $1. So I have $2 invested. $12.92 is what I've earned. So I'm at $10.92 for what I earned. The next thing that I have for sale is an everyday racer black bra, honey beige, size 36D, $10.05. $1 is what I have invested, so $9.05 are my profits there. Then I have a new with tags XXL baby doll tankini with padded bra and bottoms. $19.80 is what I have invested, or what I earned. $1 is what I paid for it. So $19.80 minus my $1 is $18.80. Then I have a belt, which is a Marona new with tags brown belt with a gold buckle. $1.05 is what I earned. About 50 cents is what I paid for it. So 55 cents are my earnings there. Then the next item I have is a really cool Star Wars bralette, sports bra that says Star Wars right across the front. I paid $1 for it from a liquidation box from Bulq.com. $3.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 are my profits there. Then I've got this really cute baby doll lingerie robe. $5.25 is what I earned. $3 is what I paid for that. So $2.25 are my profits there. Then we're going to wander on down here to these boots. I've got a pair of these, and I've got more pairs of these. A pair of women's Chelsea rain boots, a New Day waterproof, size 7. $10.20 is what I earned on that. I actually paid $7 for that. So $10.20 minus my $7 is $3.20. Then I have a new without tags maiden form size 40C front closure racerback bra. $5.25. $1 is what I paid. $4.25 are my earnings there. Then I have another one that is, it's funny that these sold back to back to actually different buyers. A red one, Exhilaration 38D front closure bra. $9.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid. So $8.05 are my profits there. Then I've got another pair of shoes. Men's shoes always sell phenomenally. I just love these. Look at these. Purple, shiny men's shoes, size 13. Now there's someone who's going to make a statement with some nice purple Gino Vitale shoes, size 13. Those were $2 out of a liquidation box. $9.05 is what I earned. So $7.05 are my in-pocket profits. Then I have a nursing full coverage. Hold on one sec. I actually told you the wrong number on the shoes. $2 is what I paid for them. $27 was what I earned. I read the wrong number. $27 is what I earned minus the $2. So I'm at $25 even. I thought that was a low number for those shoes, and I was right. All right, then I've got a nursing full coverage bra, black lace, $13.60 minus that $1 I paid from a liquidation box, and I'm at $12.60. Then moving on, we've got a 2-pack of soft seamless boy shorts, size small. $3.05 is what I earned. $1 is what I paid, so $2.05 are my profits there. Then I have a really cool pink and light purple knitted, basically tank top. $2.05 is what I paid for it. 50 cents from the Goodwill outlet is what no, 50 cents is from the Goodwill outlet is what I paid. $2.05 is what I earned. So take that 50 cents off. I'm at $1.55 for profit. I cannot speak today. All right, so then my new with tags, Grace in LA, size 34, 5-pocket jeans. I paid $2 from a liquidation box for $8.25 is what I earned. So I'm at $6.25 for my profit on that. Then we're going to go down to our last row here of earnings. I've got a really cool bundle here that includes a new with tags Hanes 4-pair microfiber size 6 tagless bikini underwear. Then I've got these really cute turquoise turtle earrings, dangly earrings. And then I have this foam wireless bra, amethyst quartz dot one by Bali. And so with all three of those items, I got $1, $2, and $3 invested. So $14.20 is what I earned on all of that stuff. So $11.20 is what I get to keep for my profit. Then I had actually this makeup came from a Via Trading makeup box, and so I was trying my hand at selling it on Poshmark, and I was pleasantly surprised. So I paid about $2 because this is a 2-pack of 2 different shadows. So $2 was invested. My earnings was $5.25, so $3.25 for my profits. And the last item that I've got for sale here is a baby doll sheer lingerie set that is black and purple. $7.05 is what I earned. $3 what I paid for it. So $4.05 are my profits there. So I'm going to add all of these numbers up and how many orders I had and give you a total. Okay, I've got everything added up and it comes out to $143.72 for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark for a total of 19 separate orders. I was having some slow sales this summer, but they're starting to pick up again, especially anytime I sell shoes. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what sold on Poshmark these last 2 days for me. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.